Hey guys, this is the April 2026 update on e-computers. Starting off with this 2009 HP Compaq Elite A300, which, by the way, I did look it up. This line of Compaq, the HP Compaq series, did in fact come out in 2009. The BIOS on this was updated in 2012, I believe. Over here, you can see the Princess Aurora background screen I have here. That's a custom find, by the way. Hi, Pebbles. Say hi to the camera. Found out that her coloring is actually pretty rare among Frenchies. So, we have this thing, the 2006 Dell Latitude D620. Time to plug this thing in. I also have another new Steam to show you. This time I will be showing the gaming PC. Also, 3 months from now, this laptop is going with me to East Central Florida on a family vacation. So, stay tuned for that. Specifically, we're going to Kissimmee, which is in the Orlando metro area. I've had this one for about a month. I want something a little different. So what I'm going to set it to instead I'm going to set it to this one. This is a 2008 Disney Princess background. So where my cursor is going to be are the present ones as of 08. Cinderella, Jasmine, Aurora, Ariel, Snow White, and Belle. And I'm going to shut this thing down since it uses a lot of electricity. I'm going to unplug it from the wall here. Yep. First time I'm going to be ever taking the laptop somewhere out of the Northeast. That's our Pebbles. Whoa. Apologies for that. This doggy gate can be a pain. Turn on the monitor. Oh, gosh. Oh. Oh. Oh, gosh. You know what? The Lenovo IdeaPad Z580 over there, permanently DOA due to a bad registry. And the OptiPlex 320 also DOA. This thing's going to take a while to load. I'll see you next update. I'm going to change the lock screen on it.